Hello student, today we do exercise 3.5, example 14, 15 and 16. Chapter 3rd, pair of linear equations in two variable, class 10th. From a bus stand in Bangalore, if we buy 2 tickets to Malleshwaram and 3 tickets to Yashwantapuram, the total cost is rupees 46. If we buy 3 tickets to Malleshwaram and 5 tickets to Yashwantapur, the total cost is rupees 74. Find the fares from the bus stand to Malleshwaram and to Yashwantapur. Let fare for Malleshwaram rupees X. Fare for Yashwantapur, that is rupees Y. 2 tickets for Malleshwaram, 3 tickets for Yashwantapur according to question 2x plus 3y equals to rupees 46, equation number 1. Another equation 3x plus 5y equals to rupees 74. Now we will solve it by using elimination method. Multiply equation 1 by 3, multiply equation 2 by 2. 3 2 ja 6x, 3 3 ja 9y. You can use rough work area for multiplication. 3 6 ja 18, 3 4 ja 12 plus 1 makes 13. Student, you have to mark a line at the right side of the page for rough work. Equals to 138. Next, multiplied by 2. 2 3 ja 2 5 ja 74 2 ja makes 148. Change the sign. Cancel. Minus y equals to minus 10. Y makes 10. Means to say fare for Yashwantapur, that is rupees 10. Now next we will put this y in equation number 1 और इक्वेशन नंबर 2. आप फ्री है इस चीज के लिए कि आप इसको इक्वेशन 1 में पुट करते हैं या फिर इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में पुट करें. एंड वन थिंग इज मोर, I want to say that here method is not mentioned by which you have to solve. Then we can solve it by any method. If method is mentioned, then you have to solve this by the same method. अगर मेथड मेंशन है तब हमने उसी मेथड से सॉल्व करना है, अदरवाइज हम कोई भी मेथड अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. पुट y इन सेकेंड. 3x 5 into 10 equals to 74. Solving 5 10 जा 50. 50 राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा. 24. Then x is 8. Hence fare for Malleshwaram, that is rupees 8. Fare for Yashwantapur, that is rupees 10. Okay dear student, you have to write the answer at last for every question. Example number 15. Example 15 and example 16 both are most important examples. For which value of p does the pair of equation given below has unique solution? Compare. A1 is 4, B1 is P, C1 is 8, A2 2, B2 2, C2 2. Condition for unique solution. Condition for a unique solution, that is A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. 4 by 2 is not equals to P by 2. Cancel. P is not equals to 4. Means to say for all values of P except 4, 4 को छोड़ते हुए given pair of linear equation having a unique solution. Right here, for all values of P except Cy, for the given equations will have a unique solution. Next, example number 16. For what values of k will the following pair of linear equation have infinite many solution? Condition for infinite many solution, that is A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. A1 k, A2 12, B1 3, B2 k, C1 by C2. We will compare first to last, second to last. Compare it. Cancel minus from minus. Then cross multiply. K square. 12 into k minus 3. 12k minus 36. Left hand side. Quadratic polynomial, it becomes k square minus 12k plus 36 equals to 0. Now we will solve it by using factorization method. Take common k. Minus 6 common, k minus 6 equals to 0. Then it becomes k6, k6. When you put these two equal to 0, k is 6, k is 6. Next one. Compare. Use bracket. Cancel minus from minus. Cross multiply. K square minus 3k. K square minus 3k minus 3k equals to 0. हम इस 0 को यहाँ पर भी लिख सकते थे. k कॉमन, k minus 6 equals to 0. इधर k 0, इधर k equals to 6. जब आपने दोनों को सॉल्व किया तो आपके पास जो कॉमन वैल्यू है k की वो क्या आ गई है? 6 आ गई है. दैट्स वाई आंसर इज 6. Hence, value of k is 6. Your right answer. Okay, student. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling, everyone.